Coach, with a protocol. Coach, we've not seen Shadrach Ado. I think he played in the first 2 games and he's been out. Now, looking at your team, you'll be making changes. Sometimes it looks like it's based on performance. Because Mukwala started, now Kalu comes in, and Benin plays, Nicholas comes in. In the middle, there were times Chi was playing, now he goes out, and City comes in. Can you take your time and explain to the fans why these changes do happen, and why they should bear with you when they are not seeing some of the players in the first 20 or the match day squad?
I think it's all about performance at training and then performance during games. If you look at these players that you've mentioned, we look at how they perform at training, then we'll reflect on the game, how they played, and then we look at the upcoming opponent and who should fit in there. So these are the 3 key things that go into taking those decisions with respect to the players. We are trying to build, if you look at the changes, I mean, for today we just did 2 changes in the starting lineup. Last week it was 1, I think it was 1 or so. Yeah, so gradually we'll have a standing team. And I think if you play 2 or 3 consecutive matches with 2 changes in the lineup, I'm not sure it's a bad thing.
So those who have the view that you want to use your players, I just want you to explain to them, because probably think you've heard of some. Your like the players you signed. It's an assumption.
I've not even heard it. Okay, I don't go into the social media space because it's not a space to be in as a coach. So yeah, if you want to be emotionally healthy, you don't go there. Okay, so I don't go there.
So those assumptions clearly, you don't have any issues, and you are using players based on performance.
Yeah, on performance, that is it. And when it comes to team chemistry, you can go behind me and ask the players if they will be sincere with you. The relation, I've built a very strong, good relationship with them. Rapport is there. Maybe somebody may say otherwise because maybe he's not playing. But if the person says otherwise, compare him, his performance, and the one who is playing, and the performance of the other players in that position, and probably you can conclude. So the relationship is there. And don't forget that as a coach, my responsibility is to build a strong team, a team that can play well, and a team that can win games, because Kotoko is noted for winning games. So as a coach, you don't say that I brought this person in, therefore he should play. No, it's all about opportunities that come, and then I give it to them.
Sure.